interfaith dialogue and its role in fostering mutual respect and cooperation among diverse religious communities, with a focus on insights derived from Hinduism. In a world marked by religious diversity, it is imperative that we cultivate understanding, respect, and cooperation among different faith traditions. Interfaith dialogue serves as a vital instrument in achieving this noble goal. It offers a platform for individuals of various religious backgrounds to come together, engage in meaningful conversations, and build bridges of understanding. In Hinduism, the concept of interfaith dialogue is deeply ingrained in the teaching of Dharma. Hinduism recognizes the divine presence in all beings and upholds the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the whole world is one family. This profound notion underscores the interconnectedness of all life and emphasizes the importance of treating every individual with respect and compassion, regardless of their religious affiliation. One of the key teachings of Hinduism that contributes to interfaith dialogue is the principle of pluralism. One who recognizes God as a form is a Hindu. One who sees God as a formless and pure consciousness is also a Hindu. One who thinks that this whole existence has evolved without any external power, he is also a Hindu. It has come to an existence because it has meant to. He is also an Hindu, and one who don't recognize any such belief is also a Hindu. Someone who deny the presence of any power, any higher being, he is also a Hindu. Hence, Hinduism acknowledges and celebrates the diversity of religious paths, recognizing that there are many ways to approach the divine. This inclusive outlook encourages Hindus to engage with people of other faiths with an open heart and mind, fostering a spirit of tolerance and acceptance. Moreover, Hindu scriptures such as Bhagavad Gita emphasize the importance of harmony and cooperation among different religious communities. Lord Krishna in the Gita teaches the value of respecting others' beliefs while remaining steadfast in one's own faith. He encourages individuals to perform their duties selflessly, recognizing that all paths ultimately lead to the same divine truth. Interfaith dialogue based on Hindu principles can lead to numerous benefits. By engaging in open and respectful conversations, individuals can dispel misconception, overcome prejudices, and build trust and friendship across religious divides. It enables us to recognize our shared humanity and work together towards common goals, such as promoting peace, justice, and environmental sustainability. Furthermore, interfaith dialogues can serve as a powerful tool for addressing social issues and fostering positive change in the society. By coming together in solidarity, religious communities can pool their resources and expertise to tackle pressing challenges such as poverty, discrimination, violence, thereby creating a more just and compassionate world for all. In conclusion, interfaith dialogue, rooted in the principles of Hinduism, holds tremendous potential to enhance mutual respect and cooperation among diverse religious communities. By embracing the value of pluralism, tolerance, and compassion, we can build a more inclusive and harmonious society where people of all faiths can coexist peacefully and work together for the greater good. Let us strive to cultivate a culture of dialogue and understanding. For in doing so, we honor the rich tapestry of humanity and uphold the timeless wisdom of Sanatan Dharma Thank you so much.